Hello everyone, you can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. In my hand you can see a house, and house is made of bricks, and bricks is a cuboid shapes. So in this video I will show you how to make a cuboid shapes with paper. Once you know how to make these cuboid shapes, you can make your model house or you can make any model that you want, and also project work and share with us. We will promote your talent also. You know, Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright. So let's learn cuboid shapes. I have taken a A4 size magenta color paper, and all the measuring will be here in the semi, and you can see I have drawn a line in the middle. The line should be in the middle approximately. Now I am drawing two more lines in left and right, and I have measured it 2.5 from our middle line. So total it will be 5 semi from top and also bottom. This way we can get a straight line in right and left of our middle line. Now look, I am measuring in 5 semi and I have drawn a line, a slipping line. So I have got a square in top of our A4 sheet. Now again I'm measuring 5 semi, again middle is 5 semi, in the right also 5 semi, so total 15 semi. So you can hold your scale in 7.5 in the middle. So in the both the sides you can get a equal measuring line. Same line I am drawing and the down also. So I have taken this 9 semi in length, but my width is 5 semi once again. So I am going to draw a 9 semi and 5 semi. Rectangle shapes in my right and left. So you can see I have already drawn. Now again square shapes, and the down I am drawing. All the sides will be 5 semi, and once again I am drawing a 9 semi and 5 semi respective my length and width, a rectangular shapes. So you can see this width is 5 semi total, but I have drawn in 2.5 in the left and the right, as I did in the first on the top of our paper. So we have got our rectangle shapes. Length is 9 semi, width is 5 semi. Now I am drawing a dotted line where we have to fold our paper for pasting. These dotted lines are very important. When we will make our shapes, we need to paste this. This almost is done. Now this part where I'll do the cross line, we have to cut it. So look, you can understand I have chosen a grey color. The way you can understand exactly from where we will cut and how we will cut. After this I will show you these things in manually, where you can understand how I'm folding, how I'm cutting everything. So all your confusion and doubt will be over. So look, this way after cutting, this part will be left, and this part we have to fold it and we have to paste it with the gum accordingly our dotted line. I am very excited because our work is going to be finished. Very soon you will get a cuboid shapes. Don't skip, watch full video. So exactly this shapes you will get. So I have got my real paper. I will show you manually. So first you have to hold your paper like this way. Now you have to give a little pressure on top and bottom. So this way you can draw a straight line. You can understand approximately the middle, and you can use your scale to draw a straight line in the middle. Now 2.5 left, 2.5 right of our middle line, so total is 5 semi. After that you have to take again 5 semi from the top. The length and width or all the four sides will be same. So look how I'm showing. You can see I have measured it 5 semi. Now I need a 15 semi, 5 semi each, 3 square I will draw. So 15 semi means in the middle 7.5. From the middle line you can hold your scale in 7.5. So both the sides you will get equal. You can see how I'm taken 5 semi, 5 semi, 5 semi, now 9 semi. From right and left you have to measure 9 semi, and you have to draw again a straight line. So you can same way in 7.5, so it is total 15. So both the sides of the middle line will be equal. Okay, now see, again I have got a same square, 5 semi each sides, and the last, that is 9 semi length and 5 semi width. You always need your scale, and here also in the down part also I have shown the same, 2.5 total 5 semi. So width 5 semi. For the rectangle 9 semi is length, but the square all sides are 5 semi, and I have given the dotted line. Now I am taking my scissors to cut. So look, after cutting I have exactly the shapes we are getting. You can see, you can understand everything. Okay, now we have to fold it. First you will fold the along with the dotted line. So you have to be very gentle when you are folding. Okay, otherwise your cuboid shape will be not perfect. Oh wow, I'm very excited. Look, now all the parts we are folding gradually, one by one. Now use your gum at the corner of the every folding, so we can get a sharp corner. Very gently. Almost it is done. You can make many things if you know how to make the cuboid shapes. You can make bus, car, city, lot of things. So we have finished. You can see how I have pasted this. It is looking perfect. Look, our shape is ready. So now is your turn. If you like our video, subscribe, press the notification bell, choose all options, like, comment and share. Thank you for